One of the hardest things to do in the cryptocurrency market is finding a project that is worth buying. And guys, I truly believe that Sync or Syncus could be that project. I have staked some SYN Token over the last week or so, and I am already seeing ridiculously high gains on my staking there. I'm going to talk about that in this video, but I want to highlight the fact that Sync is pulling back to a major level of ascending support, and this could be setting up for a very nice buying opportunity. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? As you can see, we have Sync pulled up on the screen right here, and this ascending trend line that we have. I'm going to highlight this in a second, but I want to show off some of the staking rewards. Now, if you guys are interested in earning passive income in the cryptocurrency world, you need to take a look at Sync down in the description. It's got an affiliate link down there, and that is going to alleviate some of the fees that are associated with buying and staking your Sync. If you would like to follow along and just check out their website, you can also use that affiliate link there, or if you forget to click on it, you're going to see in a second, you can simply use the code CLAYBRO to get the same exact rewards. But I want to highlight a couple things that's going on with Sync right now, and that is that the price is 4.4 cents. A couple of days ago, it was trading around 8 cents per token. Nearly a 50% decline just over the last couple of days, but it's doing two things that I'll pull up on the graph in a second here. Number one, it is maintaining the ascending trend line, which is a very bullish signal, but two, this dip could lead to a massive buying opportunity to more than double your money, even if it just gets back to the prices that it was at a couple of days ago. So number one, the market cap, $185 million. We are not playing around here with some tiny little meme coin, some brand new token. This is a multi-$100 million project, and one of the reasons is because of this right here. Guys, you are earning 224 APY. Now, 224% is insane. How in the world do they cover that? It comes from a couple places. Number one, the treasury balance and the daily revenue that they are earning on that treasury balance. As you can see, guys, these are crazy high numbers, and these numbers get distributed to those who own and stake their SYNC tokens. Now, also, you need to be aware, there is a 15% sell tax. This is also very encouraging to people holding onto SYNC token. The 15% sell tax combined with their daily revenue allows for them to massively reward anybody who is staked and looking for the long-term potential in Syncus or Sync. Now, if you're interested in staking, I'm going to highlight the graph in a second here, but if you're interested in staking, you can see that there's already $54 million locked up in Sync right here, which is incredible. And that shows the commitment of those who believe in this project long term. Now, you can see that I do have a staked balance at the moment, and that is growing every single day. Look, there's 3 minutes until the next rebase right here, and if you guys come down to the bottom right-hand side of the screen, you can see that I am earning $32.06 at the current price, which 4.4 cents on the previous screen, is half of what I was earning last week, and it is still $32.06 every 5 days. Now, you guys can begin to do the math, right? And you could say, oh man, I can stake more than you, and I can earn twice as much, 10 times as much. You might say, you know what, I don't want to take that large of a risk. I can earn a little less and just bring in an extra $10 per week. These staking rewards are insanely high, but they are sustainable, at least for the moment, because the revenue, this total treasury balance, and the price of Sync is maintaining beautiful levels. Now, I want to show you guys this graph real quick here. And as you can see, you could go out to Dex Tools, you could pull this up for yourself. Sync has done an amazing job over the last couple of weeks to more than 10x in value. If you go back to February 8th, you can see that the price was 0.2 cents. It ran up to 8 cents. Guys, that is near a 40x increase just in the last month alone. Now, anytime you see a 40x increase, what should you expect? A pullback. People will be taking profits, and that is exactly what they did when Sync ran up. Now, I've got two ascending trend lines that you guys need to pay attention to if you're considering getting into Sync. Number one is this more aggressive trend line that is formed over the last week and a half, 2 weeks here. And you can see that not only has it followed it, it has followed it almost to a T. Each one of these sell-offs over the last couple of days bounced right off this ascending trend line, and SYNC is maintaining this very, very bullish curve. If you're a little bit more conservative and you believe that SYNC is going to pull back even further, the next trend line you have is this one right here. And depending on how quickly it gets to those levels, it would pull all the way back to roughly a 2 to 2.5 cent mark before it reaches that ascending trend line, which is still a very healthy trend. Why? Because it is ascending. It shows that this growth, although exponential over the last couple of days, that resulted in some profit taking, the overall trend lines and growth is steady, it is to the upside, and it is sustainable. Now guys, there is $12.51 million locked up in this liquidity pool, which is exactly what you want to see. You never want to see a liquidity pool that is unlocked, because that of course could lead to some very bad things. So if you were looking at this graph right now and you're saying, you know what, I am a little bit more conservative, I want to wait for it to pull back to this line in that area, that is completely fine. But what you need to recognize is that since its inception, SYNC has done a very good job to maintain growth. Yes, there have been some profit-taking opportunities for those that got in very early, but as you can see here, it has increased in value slowly and steadily since first being introduced at the beginning of December 2013. I am absolutely enjoying the capital gains rewards that I am seeing on my SYNC tokens right now. I am absolutely enjoying the $32.06 that I am earning every 5 days by staking SYNC token. Now, if you guys are interested in joining SYNC with me, you've got that affiliate link down in the description below. Make sure to use that because you are going to get a 15% rebate on any staking fees and so on. You can simply type in Claybro as well. You don't have to necessarily click the link if you don't want to, but if you type in Claybro, it is going to generate that affiliate reward for you guys, and it lets them know that Claybro sent you. So I want to know what you guys think about this down in the comments below, because it has performed. Listen, I have nothing but good things to say. I'm a little upset that there was some major profit taking over the last couple of days, but I am still doing very well as we have maintained that ascending curve line. So let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.